Have you heard the expression, we might as well do something, meaning there's no better alternative, so we should do it. There's no reason not to. Buses are so expensive these days, we might as well get a taxi. Meaning taxis are as good and no more expensive than buses. Or you're having a conversation with a friend and they say to you, what time are you going out? And you reply, well, I'm ready. I might as well go now. Or you've missed the last bus home. So you say to yourself, well, it's a nice evening. It's not far. I might as well walk. English expressions, might as well. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.